Hi, I'm Roger, and I currently work at CSI as an IT senior BA. As you know, the IT industry is rapidly growing since it provides IT solutions to the direct needs of our customers. And being an IT BA in such a setting gives you the opportunity to directly be the part of that solution. Seeing that your efforts have provided value to your customers and the company's success is a great feeling of achievement that one can experience. The BA role is becoming a very popular position out there in the market because it provides a unique value to the company where you become the link between your stakeholders and customers belonging to various domains in their organization in order to resolve their needs. Therefore, to become successful in this career, you have to possess the right skill sets to be this main linkage while progressively also grooming yourself. It is a very collaborative role and it comes with its own challenges in the making of the solution, which I personally enjoy. However, it is one of the most rewarding careers you will find out there in the market on a corporate and on a personal level. So if you are interested in this role, there are a few areas that you could consider to follow. Firstly, focus on your education by providing a relevant coursework related to this job role. Next, you will have to possess a few skill sets, which if you do not have, you can actually build them. So a few are active listening so that you can identify the actual problem or the underlying issue during ambiguous situations. You will have to have strong communication and then you have to find the right medium to communicate. Also, you will have to build up your logical and critical thinking. Clear documentation of solutions. You will have to clearly document them. And also you will have various tasks coming at different times. So time management will be one of the skills that you will need to build. And you will have to actively collaborate with your team, to keep them updated with whatever new requirements that come in your way. And last but not least, you will have to show empathy about your stakeholders, which will take you a long way in this journey. Another thing that you could follow is you try to research on how IT Scrum and Agile ceremonies work. And also there are various BA related techniques such as business modeling, writing user stories, and there are a few other related documents. So you can maybe browse them online and you can learn how to do them. And to conclude, it's best to have, a positive and learning attitude, which will take you a long way because in this career, there's always something to learn, which also becomes an excitement for you if you possess the right attitude.